Yes, this morning we are coming to feed some castle beehive. This one is imported, and I am here to fix it for the client. So this is how it goes. The first put the short bar here, put it like this. Put the second one, then you bring the comb, fix it like this. This. So this is it. So this is why the bee colonies is going to be, and it will make harvesting very, very, very easy. That is where the queen is going to lay the eggs, and the comb and the colony, everything is going to be formed over here. So we have about 6 in number. So you can see around. We have it here. This is the one that we just mounted, and we are working on it. So here is it. This is how we face it. And this is the box. So this is the first one that we fix, and you can see